Hi there, guys! Today, I'm going to show you how to create a bootable Windows 10 USB drive. This is the official method directly from Microsoft, so we won't be using any sketchy third-party tools to achieve this. To get started, you only need two simple things: a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of storage, and a computer to set it all up. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to this official Microsoft webpage. I've left the direct link down in the video description below. Once you're on the page, scroll down to the section that says Create Windows 10 Installation Media and click on the Download Tool Now button. It will only take a moment to download. Once the download is complete, navigate to your download folder and double-click the executable file. If Windows asks for permission, simply click Yes. A setup window will appear saying, Getting a few things ready. Just give it a few seconds, and when the Microsoft license terms pop up, go ahead and click Accept to move forward. On the next screen, you'll be asked what you want to do. Choose the second option, Create Installation Media, and click Next. By default, the tool automatically selects the ideal language, edition, and architecture based on the current PC you are using. If you need to change these settings, for instance, if you are making this USB for a different computer, just uncheck the box that says Use the recommended options for this PC. Now you can manually select your preferred language. For the edition, Windows 10 is your only choice, but don't worry. This standard ISO file contains all versions of Windows 10, which you can choose later during installation. Finally, for the architecture, you can choose between 64-bit or 32-bit depending on your target system. If you aren't sure what your system type is, you can always check it under your PC's settings, then System, and click About. Once you've made your choices, click Next. Now make sure your USB flash drive is plugged into your computer. A quick reminder, ensure you have backed up any important files currently on that drive, as this process will completely erase it. Select USB flash drive from the options and hit Next. Choose your connected USB drive from the list. I highly recommend double-checking that you've selected the correct drive letter to avoid accidentally wiping any other external storage devices. Once confirmed, click Next. The tool will now begin downloading the Windows 10 ISO files and automatically transferring them onto your USB drive. The total file size is a bit over 4 gigabytes, so the time this takes will mostly depend on your internet speed. Sit back, relax, and let the tool do its magic. And there we go! You have successfully created a bootable Windows 10 USB drive. You can now click Finish and safely eject the drive from your computer. It's completely ready to use for a clean Windows 10 installation on any PC. If you need a step-by-step guide on how to actually install Windows 10 using this drive, make sure to check out my dedicated installation tutorial linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon for more useful tech content. This is your host signing off. See you guys in the next video.